What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Santana Scatpack with another video. I know it's been a little minute since I've dropped the video, man, but this one right here is sponsored by Auxito. So what we're gonna be doing today, we're gonna be changing out these LED side markers. If you know, most of the Chargers come with the black side markers, red in the back, and then they have the orange was on the front. A lot of people end up tinting them out just to go ahead and get rid of that orange shit in the front because it looks kind of weird. But then, you know, you've got some companies that come out with they have some custom ones. So these are actually the white LEDs. So it'll light up all white here. So what we're gonna do is swap those out with those and see how they look. This is how they look currently. That's the back. And then we've got the front up here. It's all blacked out, of course. So we're gonna go ahead and get those swapped out and we'll see how they look. But they came in pretty quick, man. Pretty easy shipping. The price was really good. So we'll check them out. We'll see how well they look on the car and give you a better review in a few minutes. We'll chat back in. I'll show you how to get them installed and get everything hooked up. And just because I haven't did a video in a while, I'm going to hit you with the catless cold start. I don't think I've did a cold start on the YouTube channel since I took my cats off. So here you go. All right, so we got the first light loose. What you want to do is turn on the front. You can take the front wheels off if you choose to, or you can just turn your wheel and tuck the fender liner in. But there's two screws that is in the back of the light. One here, one here. What you'll need to do is get those out. I've got a little tool like this. I can't remember what size that is, but you need one of those to get the screws out. If you've got a tool like this, it makes it a whole lot easier, or an electric one that can bend in, because this is a crazy weird angle to get into those screws. So I use something like this to get in there that allows me to twist it without having to jam the screwdriver all the way up in there. Once you get the two screws out, it'll fall right out. You'll disconnect this clip here, and then you'll pretty much just plug and play. You'll plug the old clip into the new light, put it back in, screw both of the screws back in there, and you'll be good to go on that one. So I'll get it plugged back in and I'll show you how it looks. All right, so we got the first one installed here. Like I said, it was a pretty easy process. The hardest part is just getting those screws out and back in, depending on what type of tool you're working with. But these look super clean, man. Double row of white LEDs. Definitely sticks out a lot from that red. So let me get the rest of them on. I'll show you how it looks all the way around the car. All right, so I still got to do the back, but these is how the front two look so far. The front two are going to be the easiest to the back. Probably going to take the back wheels off the back, just because it's a pain to get to the lights without taking the back tires off. I've done it before. It shit took forever. I'm probably just gonna jack it up, take the back tires off, and do those. The front looks nice, man. It definitely stands out from that red. Something different. Yeah, I look dope, man. Hopefully they last for a while. You know, I'll let you know about the quality and how long they last if I have any issues with them. But I'm thinking these are gonna hold up pretty well. I'll run their headlights as well. So they also make headlights. Let me go ahead and switch those on for you real quick just so you can see. But if you know, most of the Chargers come with the halogen lights, so the yellow ones. But I went ahead and swapped them out for the LEDs. So they make a pretty good white LED headlight as well. So make sure y'all tap in with Auxito. They'll get you right on everything you need for your car lights. All right, I'll be back shortly with the finished product though. All right, so we're finally done. I did the back. I took one wheel off and then the one wheel I left on. Definitely easier if you take the wheels off, especially on the back. You can get to it way easier because you can pull. I took out all the pieces for the fender liner and you can pull it all the way out to get to it. But as you can see, man, they're super bright. Look pretty good. We'll see how it looks during the nighttime. I'll pull it out, get some night videos, and get a couple pictures. But it's looking nice so far, man. What y'all think? Tap into the comments and let me know below what you think. Remember, these are Auxitos. I'll have the link in the description, as well as a discount code for you to use as well and get you something off of them. But y'all make sure you check them out. Like I said, they got headlights, they've got the side markers, and they offer plenty of other products as well. I appreciate y'all tapping in, man. We'll be back shortly with something new. I got another sponsor sending something as well, so we'll be doing a review on that. Shit, y'all be easy out there.
From the jump, it was violent, it's never peace. They swear that they bout it like masterpiece. Run that check up, no flex up, them rats with me. Got her all on my dick, know this shit ain't free. She said that they gas, she wrapped the weed. I feel like I'm Chester, I'm Bama cheese. Try to chase me a bag, now it's after me. No, we not the same, boy, you out my league. We zip to the zoo, y'all a different breed. See, y'all was so hungry, y'all couldn't eat. So